guys, Luke at Honeycombes. I'd like to introduce you to the FC3560 TCD from Kuhn. It is a trail centre mount in a roller conditioner, so it's the neoprene rollers. Your neoprene rollers are for your loosened oats. They're more gentle. They don't crack the kernel. They crack it to the point where you let the moisture, but they don't crack it too much and it brutalises the leaf or your oat cereal, I suppose. A lot more gentler. So this is the unit. It's a 3.5 metre machine. Centre pull. Forgive me, it was the hood coming down. Walking around the back. This is our ground pressure adjustments, which we'll adjust up very shortly. This is what gives us our flotation over the ground. This is our roller set. Rubber rollers under the hood. This is your rubber roller configuration. Your swath boards, which you can adjust the width of your wing-row. So what that means is if you wanted to huddle it all up together or lay it out flat and dry it as quick as you can, you adjust these with simple butterfly nuts on top, and that adjusts your swath boards to vary your width of your wing-row.